Crypto mining 2024 passive income mining crypto. Crypto mining is the process of creating new cryptocurrency coins or tokens and verifying transactions added to a blockchain. It uses powerful computers to solve intricate mathematical problems, which secures the network. Because miners receive cryptocurrency in exchange for their labor, mining is a desirable passive income source. By 2024, the crypto mining industry will have undergone substantial change. The shift to environmentally friendly mining methods is one significant trend. In order to lessen their operations' carbon footprint, miners are investing in renewable energy sources like solar and wind power because to environmental concerns. Initiatives like carbon offset plans and alliances with suppliers of renewable energy help to facilitate this change. Improvements in mining software and hardware efficiency are another significant advancement. The power and energy efficiency of mining has increased thanks to developments in ASIC's application-specific integrated circuits and GPU's graphics processing units, which have decreased prices and increased profitability. Smart mining management systems and advancements in cooling technologies help to maximize efficiency and reduce energy waste. Decentralized mining pools are also becoming more and more well-liked. By preserving decentralization and facilitating cooperation among miners, these pools guarantee an equitable and transparent distribution of rewards. This trend is being driven by projects that use blockchain technology to create decentralized pooling systems. Additionally, governments everywhere are enacting more precise laws pertaining to Bitcoin mining. While some nations encourage and support mining, others have stronger laws or outright bans. Trends and developments in 2024. As laws increasingly focus on environmental effect, energy usage, and financial compliance, miners must be updated about the legal landscape in order to operate within the law. 1. Changing to environmentally friendly mining. In 2024, there will be a major movement towards sustainable and eco-friendly mining operations due to growing environmental concerns. To lessen their mining operations' carbon footprint, businesses and individual miners are investing in renewable energy sources including solar and wind power. Programs like its carbon offsets and collaborations with producers of renewable energy are becoming standard practices and help to reduce the total environmental effect. 2. Increased efficiency. Mining is now more efficient thanks to developments in software and hardware. ASIC's application-specific integrated circuits and GPU's graphics processing units of the latest generation are more potent and energy efficient, which lowers mining costs overall and boosts profitability. Energy waste is being reduced and performance is being further optimized because of developments in cooling technology and intelligent mining management systems. 3. Mining pools decentralized. With the rise in popularity of decentralized mining pools, miners can work together and pool their computing power while preserving decentralization. By distributing rewards in an equitable and transparent manner, these pools lower the danger of centralization and improve blockchain security. This movement is being driven by projects that use blockchain technology to build transparent, decentralized pooling systems. 4. The regulatory framework. Globally, governments are enacting more precise laws pertaining to cryptocurrency mining. While some nations encourage and support mining, others place harsher restrictions or complete bans on the practice. It is imperative for miners to remain up to date on legal developments in order to conduct their business legally. Miners are being forced to innovate and adapt as regulations increasingly center on energy consumption, environmental effect, and financial compliance. Installing a mining firm. 1. Selection of hardware. Selecting the appropriate gear is essential for profitable mining. GPUs are used for mining altcoins like Ethereum, but ASICs are usually utilized for Bitcoin mining. The hash rate, processing power, energy usage, and starting cost are important factors to take into account. A key factor in profitability is assessing return on investment ROI and keeping up with new hardware releases. 2. Mining pools and software. Performance optimization requires careful selection of mining software. BFG Miner, NextHash, and CG Miner are a few popular choices. Because mining pools combine the processing power of several miners, they can offer more reliable payouts than solo mining. Selecting the ideal pool for one's needs involves investigating pool costs, payout schedules, and dependability. 3. Considering energy. The profitability of mining is significantly influenced by energy use. Profit margins can be significantly increased by locating mining operations in areas with cheap electricity costs or by making investments in renewable energy sources. Profitability can also be increased by employing energy-saving techniques like off-peak mining and using energy-efficient technology. 4. Temperature remedies. Hardware used in mining produces a lot of heat. Maintaining optimal performance and hardware longevity requires the implementation of efficient cooling solutions such as liquid cooling, fans, or even setting up operations in naturally cold regions. To increase efficiency, cutting-edge cooling methods like immersion cooling are being investigated. Mining cryptocurrency to earn passive income. 1. Cloud mining. For those looking to mine cryptocurrencies for a passive income without having to deal with the energy and hardware maintenance issues, cloud mining provides a simple route. Without requiring any physical equipment, users can participate in the mining process and earn cryptocurrency by renting mining power from distant data centers. Because it removes the complications involved in setting up and maintaining mining rigs, this method is especially appealing to novices or those lacking technical competence. Selecting a trustworthy cloud mining company is essential to guaranteeing the validity and financial gain of investments. It's critical to investigate and assess services according to customer reviews, contract terms, and openness. The risk of frauds or shady services is reduced when mining activities, costs, and payout schedules are communicated openly. Even while cloud mining is accessible and convenient, prospective investors should proceed with caution. Returns can be impacted by variables like contract terms, market volatility, and mining operations dependability. Efficient risk management and enhanced profitability can be achieved by carrying out comprehensive due diligence and being updated about industry developments related to cloud mining. 2. Proof of stake POS and staking. As an alternative to conventional proof-of-work POW mining, proof-of-stake POS enables cryptocurrency owners to get incentives for staking their holdings in a wallet. Using the quantity of coins that participants hold and stake, proof-of-stake POS verifies transactions rather than depending on processing capacity to solve intricate challenges. Compared to POW, this procedure uses a lot less energy, which makes it more environmentally friendly. Staking is the process of securing a portion of Bitcoin as collateral to maintain the network's functionality. Staker benefits come in the form of extra coins or transaction fees in exchange. In addition to offering a steady revenue source, staking enables users to actively support decentralization and blockchain security. In order to combine resources from many stakeholders, staking pools and platforms have developed. This increases the likelihood of obtaining rewards and reduces swings in income. These systems frequently provide automated staking procedures, intuitive user interfaces, and other features like voting rights and certain network governance choices. Staking does, however, carry some dangers, including as the possible loss of coins staked because of network flaws or penalties. It is imperative that participants investigate staking processes, comprehend the associated dangers, and select reliable staking providers or platforms. POS is becoming more and more well-liked in the cryptocurrency ecosystem as a viable and approachable means of generating passive income in spite of these dangers. 3. Liquidity mining and yield farming. In the realm of decentralized finance DeFi, yield farming and liquidity mining are cutting-edge tactics that let cryptocurrency owners generate passive income via lending, staking, and liquidity provision. Using different DeFi protocols to optimize profits on Bitcoin holdings is known as yield farming. By lending their assets to decentralized lending platforms, staking them in liquidity pools, or engaging in other liquidity tactics, participants can profit in the form of interest, fees, or governance tokens. In order to take advantage of the most profitable chances, yield farmers frequently move between multiple protocols, yet this practice exposes them to risks associated with smart contracts and market volatility. By rewarding participants with tokens or fees, liquidity mining, on the other hand, encourages users to supply liquidity to decentralized exchanges DX. Participants add to market liquidity by contributing money into liquidity pools, and they also get a cut of the trading fees collected by the platform. The benefits for liquidity mining differ based on things like platform governance decisions and pool participation, so it's important to weigh the risks and possible rewards carefully. Yield farming and liquidity mining are appealing options for passive income generation that do not require conventional mining equipment. Participants must, however, fully investigate platforms, comprehend reward systems, and evaluate the dangers associated with market volatility and smart contract vulnerabilities. Proactive risk management and keeping up with changing DeFi protocols and market conditions are essential for successful yield farming and liquidity mining operations. Difficulties and hazards. 1. Volatility of the market. The markets for cryptocurrencies are very erratic. The economics of mining can be greatly impacted by changes in coin prices. Miners must have a plan to reduce risks and be ready for possible losses. Stablecoins or fiat money reserves, along with diversified mining operations, can function as a buffer against market downturns. 2. Perils of regulation. The profitability and legality of mining activities can be impacted by changes in rules. It's important to keep up with local legislation and stay educated. Understanding and influencing regulatory trends can be facilitated by interacting with industry associations and regulatory agencies. 3. Problems with security. Cyber attacks are directed on mining activities. To safeguard mining rigs and cryptocurrency earnings, it is imperative to incorporate strong security protocols like firewalls, virtual private networks, and frequent updates. Additional security measures include multi-factor authentication, hardware wallets, and safe backup options. Conclusion: in 2024, cryptocurrency mining will still present lucrative prospects for side income because of technological breakthroughs and environmentally friendly operations. People can take part in the Bitcoin ecosystem and make rewards by staking, cloud mining, or traditional mining. To overcome the obstacles and increase profitability, it is crucial to be up to date on industry developments, legislative changes, and security best practices. Continuous learning and adaptation will be essential to maintaining and increasing mining revenue as the industry changes. Let us know in the comments what you think about this, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.